we are at page 4. So we're going to play a little tic-tac-toe, just so we can recognize when we have a solution and when we don't. When you do tic-tac-toe, you start at the top left, you go to the right, and you see if you have 3 in a row. Notice that this is not 3 in a row. Let's try over here. Again, not 3 in a row. Let's see if the last one is. Yes, it is. This is our one solution. When you have 3 ones in a row, your solution is x is 2, y is 5, and z is -3. This is one solution. So let's talk about the 2 that didn't. When you have no 3 in a row, there's a 0 at the bottom. You look all the way across. If this is O, 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 this is infinite solutions. Know that you can make an infinity symbol here and there. So A is infinite solutions. This was C. Infinite solutions. Alright, here we are going to have no solution. This 1 is like the N for no solution. No solution. I got that from Miss Bailey. She showed me how to do those too. Alright, so let's talk about 66. We're going to put this in our calculator. You're going to go to your y equals, and you're going to put in both equations. So start with x squared plus 3x minus 5. So x squared plus 3x minus 5. Scoot down. Let's put the other one in. X plus 3. Alright, if you hit graph, you'll be able to see the parabola and the line. You can see that this has 2 solutions. 2 solutions. And you can tell that it's hit in 2 places. So we would write 2 solutions. To find out what the solutions are, you go to the table, the second graph, and you look and see where across the y's match. So right here, those y's match at -1. So one of my solutions is -4, -1. The y's have to match, and that would be one of the solutions. The other solution, and we saw it right when the screen was coming up right here, 2, 5. Notice the 5's match, 2, 5. And you can also tell just by looking at the graph where they are. This is over 2, up 5, and then there's the other one at -4, -1. Okay, number 49. A punter kicks a football. Its height measures the following equation, -4.9t squared. This should be a plus sign, plus 18.24t plus 0.8. And they want to know all this other stuff, but I want to know when will it hit the ground. So let's put that in our calculator again. Go to your y equals, and let's put in -4.9 x squared plus 18.24t x plus 0.8. So I put all that in the calculator. If I hit graph, I should be able to see a max, yes? And you can see how long it takes right there on that length of that x-axis. How long did it take till it hit again? It hit again after, between 3 and 4 seconds, right? It went all the way up to 17.68, but between 3 and 4 seconds. So, all right, let's flip to the back. I just want to practice making these equations. We'll do the graphing below, but I want to practice making equations. Brad is an organizer of a 10K race, and he must hire workers for the day to prepare the race packet. Skilled workers cost $50 a day, and students cost $30 a day, but he can only spend $900. So we're going to let X be the skilled number of workers, and we'll let the students number of workers be Y. So the first equation is the 500x plus 30y. You can spend no more than, so it's got to be less than or equal to $900. The skilled number of workers must be at least half the number of students working. So the skilled number, X, has to be at least half of the number of students working. So 2 times that skilled worker has to be greater than or equal to that y, or you could have said y over 2. X has got to be greater than or equal to y over 2. That's why I put the 2 over there. And then the last one, no more than 10 skilled workers are available. So our x is going to be less than or equal to 10. And that would be our system. Alright, so let's practice graphing that system. We are going to put this in our calculator. We just need to move the x to the other side. So y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 2, and y is greater than 2, so that we can find our solutions. So go to our y equals clear, and we're going to put negative x plus 2, negative x plus 2. We're going to screw down and we're going to just put 2. Now, we showed you how to tell where the shading goes. On the first one, we're doing greater than or equal to, so we hit enter until it shows the greater than, and then below it's also greater, so screw down, I'm going to hit enter until it shows greater. Alright, hit graph, and let's see what this looks like. So where it's crosshatched twice, this is the solution area. Anything in this area would be our solution. So if I told you, would the solution be, how about negative 2, 5? Yep, that's one of the solutions. How about 0, 2? Yep, that's a solution. What about negative 2, I think that's 5. Yep, that's a solution. What if I told you 0, 0? 0, 0 would not be a solution. See how it's not in the double hatched area? It's got to be in all of this area to be a solution. So on the test, if you're asked a question about that, make sure it's in that double hatched area. Anything in there. But if anything's outside, let's say 0, negative 3, right there, not a solution. It's got to be in that area. Alright, last one that we're going to do together, and that's it. Prepped you for the test. Describe the transformations and then graph this. So the 3 is a vertical stretch of 3. The positive 8 means we're shifting to the left 8. The negative 1 means we're shifting down 1. So that's everything that's there. Let's see what this looks like. Let's go to our y equals. Okay, and we're going to put in a 3, open parenthesis, x plus 8, close. We're going to raise that to the third, scoot to the right, and then minus 1. So everything's in there, ready to go. Hit graph, and that is what it looks like. So if you have any cubes on the test, put it in your y equals, make sure it matches, hit graph, match it to your answer. Alright, study, watch your videos, good luck.